Hi, my name is Brendan Hudson, and today I'll be showing you my intro to CAD class. First, just a little bit about me. I graduated from Lincoln Williams High School, class of 2020. I'm an incoming freshman at Trinity College, majoring in biomedical engineering. I'm the CAD team lead for our multi-state contending FTC team, known as the Crazy Eights. I'm the founder of the robotics club at my high school, and I'm adept in multiple 3D design softwares, which I'll be showing you throughout this class. So first off, what is Autodesk? Autodesk is a collection of multiple 3D design softwares that allow us to design, integrate, and 3D print multiple different designs depending on what you want to make. If you're looking to get involved in CAD later in your life, with most jobs involving CAD, your annual salary is going to be looking at 43,000. But if you're going to be an engineer, you're almost certainly going to be using this as an integral to any sort of design today. Um, there's multiple things that are very beneficial about these set of programs. They help to save money by simulating configuration and structural integrity before designing something and putting it together in assembly. Uh, Basically, in the stats of any design you have, there's a ton of numbers that can help test structural integrity and whatnot, or the environment it's going to be placed in. It gives us resources to basically make an unlimited amount of whatever we need, and it helps to guide creativity with that unlimited potential. And it also helps us to compare other prototypes to previous iterations easily without having to set them next to each other on the table or to pull it up from any future date. Um, so what do you expect from this class? So this class is going to be daily videos containing tips and simple exercises. They'll be easy to follow. There'll be simple walkthroughs for all of us understanding. So even if you're pretty adept in CAD already, there's some helpful tips along the way that you may still want to check out. But if you do have any comments or if you do have any questions or anything, I'll always be looking in the comments. Or there's going to be office hours every weekday, so you can ask me further questions. The exercises are going to be basic to advanced skills across multiple different uh, 3D softwares. It's also going to be FTC structured because this class is mostly for kids who are going to be later involved in the FTC program. It'll still be useful if you're just trying to learn CAD for just maybe to get ahead or just for fun, but it will be structured for people who are going to be going into robotics. And some of the programs are going to be used are Autodesk Inventor, Autodesk Fusion, Slicer, and Tinkercad, just for 4 examples. And I'll leave the links to those in the description, as you can get those programs for free just by being a student. And the office hours are going to be every weekday from 7 to 8. But I'll also stay way after 8 if you have any further questions, or I can answer basically throughout the day if you just shoot some questions in the comments. This is going to be the topics covered. We'll be going from just a simple making a 2D sketch to creating a part, creating an assembly, pulling in assemblies, parts and assemblies from different websites, which is where you're going to see the FTC structure come in. We're also going to be creating and organizing drafts, tips and hotkeys, intro to 3D printing, and other advanced and 3D sculpturing features that as soon as I get around there, it's just going to be mostly advanced features. So even if you wanted to know more things afterwards, you can also ask those in the comments, and I'll be glad to accommodate you. Okay, well, thank you for your time. I hope I didn't take too much. But if you're also interested in learning Java, we do have another class guided by Trenton Like. He's our programming lead, and I'll have the link for that class in the description. Thank you, and I hope you have a nice time.